log your reading, you must first be logged in. Click the Sign In button at the top right-hand corner. Enter your credentials. And log into your account. From here, you will click Log Reading and Activities in the upper left-hand corner. You'll choose what you would like to log, minutes or activities. It's worth noting, if you're logged in as an adult patron, you will only see books. You'll see books instead of minutes, and there will be no activities. This particular patron is a teen patron, so we're going to log some minutes. When logging your minutes, you must first select the day that you read. So I will choose today, the 27th. You'll put in how much time you spent reading. I'm going to put 3 hours. The title of your selection that you're logging. And the author is optional. You can also choose to leave a review if you'd like to leave a review for other patrons to see. When you're all set, click Log. You'll see that we've earned a badge. You'll earn badges throughout summer reading. For children, you'll earn several badges based on the weeks that you read per hour and when you complete 6 hours. And for teens, you'll get one for each week that you read 3 hours, and you'll get one at the finish at 20 hours. When you receive a badge, simply click the X button. You can then continue to log. When you're all done logging, click the X at the top right-hand corner. You can see all of your activity badges by clicking the Activity Badges tab on your home screen. The various badges that are grayed out are ones that you can enter in the future that aren't quite available. View your Earn Badges. Click the Earn Badge option. You'll see all the badges that you've earned so far. Badges that have a ticket in the upper right-hand corner enter you into our grand prize drawing. To enter your tickets, click the Ticket Drawing tab. You'll see how many tickets that you've earned and the various baskets that you have the option of winning. To add one of your tickets to one of these baskets, just click the Add Tickets button, and you can choose how many tickets you'd like to add to that basket. At the end of our summer reading, we will do a drawing for each of our baskets. It's important to note that all tickets must be entered by August 2nd to be eligible for grand prize drawing. You will be notified when your prizes are available for pickup. Good luck and keep reading.